Welcome to our top 6 must-have tools and gadgets for every fisherman and DIY enthusiast. In this video, we'll explore some of the best tools and gadgets to make your fishing and DIY tasks easier, more efficient, and a lot more enjoyable. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 6. Automatic Fishing Device. If you've ever been frustrated by fishing hooks slipping or missed bites, the automatic fishing device is a game changer. This spring-loaded, automatic ejection hook is designed to make fishing as simple as possible. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this hook is rust-proof and extremely durable, ensuring you won't have to worry about wear and tear during your fishing trips. The automatic fishing device works just like a spring trap. When a fish bites, the spring-loaded hook automatically ejects, securing the fish without any extra effort. It's perfect for ice fishing, as it eliminates the need for a traditional fishing rod. Plus, it's compact, portable, and easy to use, making it an essential tool for anglers of all skill levels. You can adjust the sensitivity of the spring hook, ensuring you never lose a catch again. Whether you're fishing in your favorite river or out on the ice, this device is sure to enhance your fishing experience. Number 5. LED Magnifier Bench Vise. Next on our list is the LED Magnifier Bench Vise, a must-have tool for DIYers, electronics enthusiasts, and hobbyists. This versatile tool features a 3x magnifying glass and comes with a built-in LED light, perfect for precision work. The LED light has adjustable brightness and color temperature, ensuring you have the right lighting for any task, whether it's soldering, model making, or circuit board repairs. The LED Magnifier Bench Vise includes 5 flexible arms that can be positioned anywhere you need them, making it easier to hold objects while you work. The 360-degree rotating alligator clips are perfect for securing your items and allow for easy maneuverability. This bench vise provides stability and convenience while working on intricate projects, and the sturdy aluminum alloy base ensures it stays securely in place. If you're working on anything from jewelry making to small electronics repairs, this tool is indispensable. Number 4. Digital Soldering Iron Kit. For those who need precise control over their soldering tasks, the Digital Soldering Iron Kit is a must-have. This 80W soldering iron offers a temperature range from 180 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius, which is ideal for tasks such as repairing electronics, DIY projects, and small repairs on computers and phones. The temperature is adjustable in 5 degrees Celsius increments, providing flexibility for a wide range of materials. What sets this soldering iron apart is its large LCD digital display, which makes it easy to monitor the temperature. With a high-quality ceramic heater, it heats up quickly and maintains a stable temperature for precise soldering. The iron also features a heat-insulated, non-slip handle for added safety and comfort during extended use. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced DIYer, this tool will make your soldering tasks a lot easier and more efficient. Number 3. Micro Table Saw. If you're looking to cut materials like acrylic or PCB, the micro table saw is an invaluable addition to your toolbox. This small, precision saw is perfect for DIY projects that require clean and accurate cuts. Its compact design makes it easy to store and transport, while the powerful motor ensures smooth and precise cutting. The micro table saw comes with an aluminum alloy frame for durability, and its mini size makes it perfect for working with smaller materials or detailed projects. It's a great choice for model builders, hobbyists, and anyone who needs a high-quality saw for small cuts. Whether you're cutting through acrylic, wood, or thin metal, this tool will deliver professional-level results. Number 2. Arc Welder Machine. For those who need a reliable and portable welder for various projects, the Arc Welder Machine is an excellent option. This lightweight welding machine uses advanced IGBT inverter technology, ensuring a stable and efficient arc. It's perfect for both beginners and professionals, with an easy-to-use interface and adjustable settings that make it suitable for welding mild steel, carbon steel, stainless steel, and cast iron. Number 1. Ice Fishing Rod Set. Last but certainly not least, we have the Ice Fishing Rod Set, designed for the avid angler who enjoys fishing in cold conditions. This 60 centimeters rod is made from high-grade carbon fiber, making it both lightweight and durable. Its segmented design allows it to be easily stored, with a length of under 40 centimeters when disassembled. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.